बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। PPSC Police Steno Test recorded by Saddam Chaudhary, Baba Farid, shorthand and typing Bahawalnagar. It may further be stated that Governor of the Punjab has been pleased to observe that deputation should not be used as means for either dumping officers or for backdoor entries. Full stop. The cornerstone of deputation policy is and should be placement of personnel in the best public interest. Full stop. This should not remain an unstated mystery but should be clearly spelled out and available on record. Full stop. In each case of extension, it must be clearly outlined and established that requisite expertise, full stop, skill and background is not available in the provincial government. Hence, it is necessary to obtain services of specialists on deputation from outside. Full stop. In these cases, while seeking extension in the period of deputation to the provincial government, the concerned department must also show the steps taken by it to develop the rare skill expertise ascribed to the deputationist within its own provincial cadre. Full stop. It must not be forgotten that a deputationist blocks an opening, which should otherwise be available to employees of the provincial government. Full stop. This must not and cannot be done except for strong reason, which should be available for all to say. Full stop. New para. I am directed to refer to the subject noted above and to state that the competent authority has noticed with concern that the administrative departments fail to process promotion cases on time and consequently officers who are otherwise eligible for promotion get retired in the meantime. Full stop. Attention is invited to the earlier S&G circulation letter dated 28-5-2008 approved by the Chief Minister, whereby the cases of all those officers who were retiring before July 12, 2009 were granted one-time dispensation and administrative departments were asked to initiate cases for their promotion at least 15 days before their retirement. It was further communicated that all the departments should ensure that not case of any retiring officer is ignored and case of the retiring officer initiated at the 11th hour would not be entertained, and the administrative department would be held responsible for the lapse. Full stop. New para. However, despite the aforementioned clear instructions and regular meetings of the provincial selection board one held each month, the administrative department submit promotion case of officers through circulation at the verge of their retirement and at times just a day before the retirement of the officer concerned, in violation of the standing instructions and laid down procedure. Full stop. There is a conspicuous failure on the part of departments to process such cases well before the full stop.